In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new calendar in Gohighlevel 2026, step by step. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want the calendar to be created. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look over at the left-hand side panel. This is where most of your core tools are organized, and it's the quickest way to move into the calendar area. From that left sidebar, click on Calendars. This will take you into the scheduling section where you can manage existing calendars and create new ones. After the calendars page opens, look at the top menu and click on Calendar Settings. This section is important because it contains the setup options for creating and managing booking calendars rather than just viewing appointments. When you're inside Calendar Settings, move to the right-hand side of the screen and click on New Calendar. That will begin the setup process for your new booking calendar. Next, you'll be asked to choose a calendar type. Gohighlevel offers different calendar formats depending on how you want bookings to work. For this example, select Personal Booking. This is a good option when the appointments should go directly to one specific person's availability. After choosing the calendar type, enter a calendar name. Try to use a clear name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple calendars for different services, offers, or team members. Right after that, select the team member connected to this calendar. This step matters because the booking availability will typically be tied to the person you choose here. Next, add a custom URL. This is the link ending that people will use when accessing your booking page, so it's a good idea to keep it short, professional, and easy to remember. Then enter the meeting duration. This tells Gohighlevel how long each appointment should last, so choose a length that matches the type of meeting you're offering. Once all of those details are filled in, review everything quickly to make sure the calendar type, team member, custom URL, and meeting duration all look correct. When you're ready, click Confirm. And that's it. Your new calendar will be created in Gohighlevel. From there, you can continue customizing it further if needed, but the main setup is complete. If you're creating several calendars, using consistent names and URL formats can make management much easier later on.